Good morning. It's a cold, wet December morning. It's pouring with rain outside, so we're locked up, but it's reasonably warm in my little workshop. So today what am I going to do? I'm going to replace the windscreen on the Sport Glide. Now, to be honest, I'm very comfortable with the stock windshield that I've got on the bike. But I thought I'd try a bigger one just to see if it was more comfortable, certainly on longer rides. But I really wasn't sure whether I wanted to do it or not. So what I've done, I've bought a reasonably cheap one from Motia in Germany. I think it was about just over £30. So if it works, then great. And I'll then look for a better quality one. If it doesn't work, then I've lost nothing. So just before we go over to the new screen, you'll notice I've also put new wing mirrors on to match my levers. Not sure, again, I got these from Motia, not sure whether I like them or not yet. They were reasonably cheap. I think they were about £35. So I don't know, maybe I'll keep them, maybe I won't. I think the jury's out on them at the moment, but you know, like again, if I want to change them back to the stock, I've lost. I'll say it properly. I've lost nothing. So there we are. Just a quick aside. So here's the new screen over here. It's a 9-inch screen, and like I said, if it doesn't work, it's no big deal. It was only £30. If it does work, then I'll look around and I'll get a better quality one. So quite a quick video this morning. Let's take the old windshield off and put the new one on. Okay, so there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 screws, and they are T25. So we'll just take them out. Captured a dead bug in there. Let's get rid of that. Turn it over, and then there's 2 screws to hold the actual windshield on. Right, let's just take the put that in there so I don't lose it. Then what I'll do is I'll take the opportunity to give this a bit of a clean before I put the new screen on. Okay, so that's all nice and clean, got all the dead bugs out of it. So that should, with a bit of luck, slot straight in there. I do that up sort of as tight as my fingers will do it. I'm not gripping the screwdriver and graunching it because obviously I don't want to shatter it. Okay, so now let's put that back into the cowling. Let's get that out of the way, I don't want to scratch it. Tell you what, before I do that, let's give that a wipe over as well. Right. Just going to do those up loosely till I get them all started. Right, well, that was pretty drama free. Let's put it back on the bike. And there we have it, my friends. Actually, with that screen, that size, I'm a little bit more comfortable with the wing mirrors. But they're both, like I said before, the jury's out on both of them. Obviously that screen needs to be clean because it's got marks all over it, finger marks all over it, so we'll do that, and I will keep you posted as to what I think of it. And like I said, if I'm not impressed with it, I can throw it away. It was only 30 quid. On the other hand, if I like it, then I will look to see if I can get a better quality one, if I need one. But I will give you a view on my thoughts once I get back on the road. As I said earlier, it's late December. I doubt whether I'll be back on the road for a month or two yet, but as soon as I am, I will let you know what I think of it. I will put links for both the mirrors and the screen in just below the video. So ride safe, guys, and Happy New Year to you all.